Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are recording another video for the replace method today, and in this one what we are doing, we're basically going to do some logic based replace. Imagine you have, for example, sentence like this, a text that has some numbers in it, and basically what you will need to do is find all the 3-digit numbers, but only the 3-digit numbers where the number, basically the digits in the number are like this. The second one is one more than the first one, and the third one is one more than the second one, right? Like this one is 4 is 3 plus 1, and 5 is 4 plus 1, and same here, but this one is not. And what the problem would be is, in that text, find all the numbers that are like this pattern, and put a $sign in front of each one. And probably if you didn't use something like replace, you would have to do some like super complicated logic for this to find the numbers first and do that. But with replace, I'm basically gonna go a bit fast maybe through this replace function. But if you wanna learn the basics of replace, I already teach them in a previous video, which I will link here, and you can go and watch that before you go any further in this one. So what we're doing here, we're basically matching with a regex globally, because we want to find all the matches everywhere where there are like digits, because that's how you write a digit in regex, like a line like this, and a slash and a d, right? That means digit, and plus means one or more, right? And you want to find those matches globally. So basically at this moment you have found all the matches for 3-digit numbers, right? You could actually for here, actually I'm thinking I have a problem, because this would actually work for something like this as well. It will find that one as well. So what we need to do is basically change this one, because I made a mistake here. Instead of saying d plus, which would mean would take all the numbers, not only the 3-digit numbers, you want to say digit, and you want to say like this 3. You only want to be 3 digits and no more, no less, right? So you will find all the numbers that are 3 digits, and then for all the matches you will check if these conditions are met, where the second one is one more than the first one, and the third one is one more than the second one. So what we do here is we get the match, and then we check if plus of match 0. And why are we saying plus in front of all these things? Because the match is gonna actually be a string, and we need to do math operation on it. So if you would do match 0 plus 1, then that would give you another string, and it wouldn't actually make math, it would just try to compare strings. What you want to do is add 1 to 3 and see if it's equal to 4. So to transform it from a string to a number, you just put a plus in front of it, and JavaScript automatically it will change it to a number. Then you can add a 1, and again you want to transform this string as well in you want to transform this one as well in a number, and check if this one, for example here, is equal to the first digit plus 1, and you use and here, plus match 1, which match of 1 would be this one in the first place, plus 1, so you add the 1 to it, is equal to plus match 2. So again we're transforming these strings in numbers to check if the addition to the addition with 1 makes it equal to the last number, right? And if that's true, if both of these things are true, that that the first number plus 1 equals to the second number, and the second number plus 1 equal to the third number, the third digit, then you want to return dollar. We're using template literals here, so we will return dollar and then match. So basically you just put a dollar in front of the match, and if these things are not true, then it will just return match, so it basically will not replace nothing. So if I do here now console logs some numbers replace, and I run this, you can see that it has put dollar signs in front of these ones that meet the condition, but not in front of this one because this one doesn't meet the condition. And let's check it out. If we put here 1 2 3 5, it will not put in front of that because that's not three digit numbers, right? So is it still putting it? Why is it still putting it? There's a problem here. This should, so let's try this. So we have a problem here. From what I remember, if you want exactly 3 digits, then you can put something like that, but for some reason that doesn't work. It still puts it. So let's go on Google, and that's how you do as a programmer when something doesn't work as you expect it to be. Regex match 3 digits number. So you basically Google what you don't know, why 3 digit number. Three 9 digits. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Let's go back. Exactly 3 digits. So it does say something like this. I think we might need to. It might need to use a delimiter like this, right? We want to do this. Let's try this. So basically we're gonna see that we're gonna say that this is the start. Okay, is this gonna work? Wait, this should work, but probably is no. Let's put this like this and this like this and see if this works. Sometimes with programming there is a bit of experimenting, especially for example yeah, this doesn't work. I'm not that good with regex, so I'm still experimenting. Doesn't support the. Okay, so this is exactly what I try. So why doesn't this work? Why doesn't it work? Let's try it. If critical to match 09 only. Let's try with a word bound or like a boundary and see if that works. So boundary D3 boundary. Let's try that. That should. Yeah. So basically we're putting boundary. We're saying that yeah, there should be a boundaries before this one and after this one, and by boundary it means like a space or a line or a dot. So we have this regex, which is basically boundary, then a 3 digit number and a boundary, and then we're basically doing this. And now you can see that what we had before, where we just have digit plus, that wouldn't work because that would match this one as well, right? So it will still put here as well, because these conditions in here are true, but these are more than 3 digits, and we don't want that. We want something like this, right? And that will match for only what we needed, right? So yeah, you got some view into what happens when something doesn't work as you expect it to do. You basically just Google and learn more about something that you're not sure about or you're still learning about. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.